Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Can anybody say in this meeting that he is not servant of anybody or anything? He must be, because that is his constitutional position. But the difficulty is that by serving our senses, there is no solution of the problem, of the miseries. For the time being, I may satisfy myself that I have taken this intoxication, and under the spell of this intoxication I may think that I am nobody's servant, I am free, but that is artificial. As soon as the hallucination is gone, he comes to the point, again servant. Again servant. So, this is our position. But why this struggle is there? I am being forced to serve, but I don't wish to serve. What is the adjustment? The adjustment is Krishna consciousness. That if you become servant of Krishna, then your aspiration to become a master, at the same time your aspiration of freedom is immediately achieved. Just like here you will see one picture of Arjuna and Krishna. Krishna is the Supreme Lord. Arjuna is a living entity, living being, a human being. But he is in love with Krishna as friend, and in exchange of his friendly love, Krishna has become his driver, his servant. Similarly, if every one of us, we become reinstated in the transcendental platform of loving Krishna, then our aspiration of mastership will be fulfilled. That is not known at present, but if we agree to serve Krishna, then gradually we will see that Krishna is serving him. That is the question of realization. But if we want to get out of this service of this material world or the senses, then we must transfer our service attitude to Krishna. This is called Krishna consciousness. Kamadinam kutidhana kutidha palita dunnidesha tesang maina karuna jata natrupa nopashanti sampratam tamayat sampratam aham labdha buddhi tamayatam nijunkumam atmadashri. One devotee is praying to Krishna that so long in my life I have served my senses. Kamadina. Kam means senses, lust. So, even what I should not have done is still by the dictation of my lust I have done it. One has to do. When one is a slave or servant, then he is forced to act something which he does not like to act. His fault. So here a devotee is admitting that I have done, dictated by my lust, something which I should not have done, but I have done it. All right, you have done your ceremony, your senses, that's all right. But the difficulty is that tesang karunana jata natrapanopasanti. I have served so much, but I find that they are not satisfied. They are not satisfied. That is my difficulty. Neither the senses are satisfied, nor I am satisfied, nor the senses are kind enough to give me relief, pension from the service. That is my position. If I would have seen that, rather if we would have felt that I have served so many years my senses, now my senses are satisfied. No. They are not satisfied, still dictating. Still dictating. And there is, of course, it is very natural, but I may disclose here that some of my students said that in an elderly age of his mother is going to marry. Yes, she has got grown-up children, and somebody complained that his grandmother also married. Why? Just see, in 75 years old, in 50 years old, the senses are still so strong that she is being dictated. Yes, it must be.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.